des trucs de couture ou des trucs comme
Ah
ça.
ouais. Tu can tell her the doggy. No, no kissing of the dog. You guys, that's my mother-in-law. Touch the cat. Touch the cat. Touch the cat. No, touch the cat. Touch him. Touch him. Oh. You're so cute. You touching the cat? Touch the cat. Touch the cat, Papa. Touch the cat. Hi, Fibs. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. Man, what a weekend it has been, you guys. It's just crazy. It's Sunday, so happy Sunday and happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to every single mom out there. Happy Mother's Day to my mom. Hey mama, I love you so much. And I didn't know what it was like to go through the process of upbringing of a child until I became a mom, and to see all the changes and all the things that you have to do as a mom. Hats off to my mother and hats off to every single mother out there. So yeah, happy Mother's Day, guys.
Happy Mother's Day too. Hope everybody okay. Sunday today. I feel a little bit like my nose full, so my voice kind of changed a little bit. But we're okay. We rest well from yesterday. That was a nice evening. Yeah, so we are going to see my mom, even if it's not Mother's Day in France, because it's gonna be in 2 weeks. But because I don't live close to, so it's gonna be a good occasion to see her. Right, so we're heading to see my mom. Couple of things to do, and then we'll be back to Nice.
Hi faves, so we are, like babe told you guys just now, we are heading to mama, his mom, which is my mother-in-law. France and USA and Jamaica do not celebrate Mother's Day the same day, so our Mother's Day here in France is in 2 weeks, so we won't be able to see her on Mother's Day. And since we are in the area, we're just gonna see mom. So we're in the city that babe grew up, but we are in the town. Mom live in the town, and the town is called Avignon. So this is like an old town with all these walls here.
Also the city of Pop.
The city of what?
Of Pop.
Of Pope?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Because it's a city that they used to call it a free city. It's like different from France. It don't used to belong to France for little times. So when it was all of this problem in Vatican, where the Pope is, all of the Pope moved to Avignon. So here's like 4 or 5 Pope lived, and it was where they used to be.
Okay.
So that's why you have a palace of the Pope inside.
Inside the wall?
Yeah.
So that palace is still there?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's still some Pope, the Pope who live there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Right there.
You guys, one day one day we're going to come to this city and do some tourism and show you guys. It is a beautiful city inside of the wall. So much things to see, so much cool spots, so much good history, but not today. I have done a little tourism around here before, so it should be a good trip to show you guys one day. But right now we're heading to Mama. Give from Gamma.
Papa, il travaille.
Give from Gamma.
Attends, ça s'est accroché. Ah. Vas-y. Ça.
Allez.
Regarde, dis à papa. Ça, c'est
Allez.
pour mettre mes manteaux.
Wow, this dog is not giving Tyler a break. Chihuahua. Wow.
Découverte.
Wow, more books. Yay! More books. Look, there's more things in there. He doesn't really care for the clothes. He just wants the books.
Tada. Merci. Merci.
Il y a papa qui pour accrocher ça. Hein.
Comment t'accrocher ça? Faut faire une vis et puis...
Ouais, je
Il y en a
pense.
qu'un là, il a sauté là.
Ah.
Je sais pas si t'as vu.
Mais je crois que j'ai laissé le prix derrière.
Regarde derrière, il y en a un qui a sauté là.
Ah ouais. Attends. Mamie,
Merci.
elle a laissé le prix
Alors.
derrière.
Alors, merci. Non, donne à papa. Merci. Merci.
Look, there's more in there. Tell him more. More. Give them to Papa.
Ah ouais, mais c'est pas intéressant ça pour lui. C'est pas intéressant ça. Pouvoir écrire, coller.
Bisous à mamie. Bisous à mamie. Oh.
Vous voulez boire quelque chose?
À quoi?
Tyler. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Des trucs de couture ou des trucs comme ça.
Ah ouais.
C'est que t'es là, the doggy. No, no kissing of the dog. Gamma giving you the doggy. Gamma giving you the doggy. Dog? Look what Tyler holding the dog food. You guys, that's my mother-in-law. Look at Tyler and the dog, babe. Tyler goes so to the dog. Ah! He touched me. I'm afraid of dogs. Wait. No. Babe, I'm stuck onto the chair. Ma clothes.
Bisous, mais elle a
No.
peur. Ah, elle s'est accrochée dans la chaise. Elle s'est accrochée où?
Attends.
Dans la feuille.
Ah. No kissing. No kissing of the doggy. Where the doggy go? Woof woof. You touch his mouth. Go bisous à mamie. Go bisous à mamie. Go. Bisous gamma. Mouah.
Un bisou.
Auntie, go bisou à Tata, go. Tata bisou. Run, 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 run. Go, run. Go, bisou Tata. Fast, fast. Bisou, bisou Tata. Getting lots of love from Auntie.
La voiture ou pas? Ah oui, c'est la soirée.
Silly boy, stand up.
Manger lasagne. Tu as mangé lasagne?
Thailand Auntie. Bisous Tata, bisous, bisous, bisous. Bisous Auntie. Kiss Auntie. He's just fascinated by your chain. You guys, that's Babe sister that comes after him. Babe have 1, 2, 3 sister, right babe?
Yeah, but sister that come after you that call that little sister.
Well, that's one of your little sister, right?
Yeah, that's
One. You have two smaller sister, cause Adeline older than you.
yeah.
Yes, that Babe little sister. Yeah, so there you met one of my sisters. Hey faves, we're finally on our way home. It's been a long weekend, especially today has been a long day. We have seen so many family members today. We saw say hello. You want to blow them kisses? Blow them kisses? Mwah. Blow them kisses. No kisses? Not today? No? That's okay. You guys, we actually just started our 2-hour journey home. Tyler is back here. In an hour he should be out because it's his sleep time. Bless you baby. Bless you sweet boy. We just left my sister-in-law. He just saw his auntie. We actually went to Papa, but I didn't film my Papa. So I didn't film my Papa, but that's okay. I didn't really film my Mama much either, but we went to see my mother-in-law. Tyler is always happy when he sees his grandparents and his auntie. So we saw a good amount of family within the short time. So that's good. I'm sure baby is excited to see his family. And now we are on our way home. 2 hours away. It's been a long weekend. So yeah, Tyler is around there. What do you want? What do you want? Okay you guys, the Jamaican expression for today. Let me see what to give you for the Jamaican expression for today. You're tired?
Something about word and drive.
Okay, so the Jamaican expression for today is road hog. A road hog. Ty, stop. Pick up your passy. Pick up your passy. Thank you. A road hog is simply a person who bad drive you on the road. Now we're on a road trip, so I think I would share that with you guys. And when we get home, Babe will give you his take on the Jamaican expression. So there you have it guys. We are well on our way right now. So yeah, let's dread this 2-hour drive home. So let go.
Hey guys, that was a hard day, long day. You might wondering why our face so tired. Yeah, it was a long day, but a nice day for family, for parents that I can't see very often. So that was worthy. But the weekend just passed very fast, and tomorrow I have to go back to work. So we're home, gonna enjoy the end of the night. Even for I think we're going to bed in the next 5 minutes. Yeah, so I hope everybody have a nice weekend. Say again to every mother in the world, well, every mother in the world that celebrate Mother's Day today, happy Mother's Day. And happy Mother's Day to my wife, even if today is not Mother's Day for us, but she is Jamaican and is mothered in Jamaica, so happy Mother's Day to my wife.
Thank you.
Mwah. I love her so much, so much. And yeah, that's for second time now that you celebrate Mother's Day. How does it feel?
It doesn't feel any way different. It just makes you feel a little extra special on a day like this, because you kind of sit and reminisce and go down memory lane of everything that you went through with your child.
You seen a couple of years when Tyler come back from school, and you know, at school in France, I don't know for other country, but every time it's like Mother's Day or Father's Day, they take for the entire week, they do like a little special things for the parents.
Okay.
So when it's Mother's Day, it should be done, and then they bring it home and give
Yeah, I
it to the
think
mom.
that's how it is other countries too. They
So they-
always have the kids craft little things, and yeah, I'm so looking forward to those moments. It's gonna be cute.
Alright.
You guys, Tyler's off to bed, and can you tell that I'm tired? I'm already tucked
What's the
in.
Jamaican expression for today?
The Jamaican expression today
Something about
was
the world. Like donkey world. We didn't meet any donkey on the road.
no, you won't see any donkey on the road in France, you silly. The expression for today is road hog.
Road hag.
Road.
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 Wood.
Not rude. Road.
Wood.
Hag.
Hag. Wood hag. Wood hag.
Say road.
Wood.
Not wood. Road.
Look at your mouth.
Say-
Your mouth do that.
Yeah, because I'm trying to.
It's not
say
because
it
we
for
talk about
you.
donkey that you should do donkey again. What?
I'm just trying to make it sound
What?
so you can say it.
What
Road.
hag? What hag?
Hag.
Hag. Hold hag. Well,
Say road hag.
no, you're joking about me.
Say road hag.
Road hag.
You remember what it meant, right?
No.
A road hog is somebody who bad drives you on the road, somebody who drives terrible. So there you have the Jamaican expression today. For today on Babe's Steak. We're just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because we're tired. Babe have to go to work tomorrow. I need to cut his hair. So I'm not even sure I'm gonna cut it tonight until tomorrow. Anyway, you guys, we love you guys for always watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.